Season 3, Episode 1 of the Melon Playground Squid Game. I hope I can just get in this vent. Wait a minute. I'm the front man. Hey! You want to tell us what the hell is going on? Yeah, what the hell is going on? Yeah. Sorry, but we trapped 60 of you now. There's now 60 of you. Now all of you die. What? I don't want to die. What? No. What game is this gonna be? Hopscotch. And if you fall, you get dropped at the bottom of the spikes. There's still some people. Yeah. Dayho and Jung Bae already got eliminated, so there's 58 of us. We have Gi-hun also, which makes 57. He got eliminated in Season 2. I'm just gonna go. Player 226, don't do this. If this is monkey bars, I don't care. I've played this game before. I already know how to play this game. So you mean to tell me you're an expert? Yes, I'm an expert. And I won. Oh, that's easy. Can't believe this is Season 3 of Melon Playground Squid Games.